In Easy Composites, when you build the composites, there are these 3 drop-down adjustments for your image layer adjustments. And these are meant to control the coloring and layer style around your individual image slots. So the name color sets the color for the name. The corners will set how the corners are, beveled, square, rounded, or oval. And the layer style is usually just the border around the image, but can be custom as well, but that sets the border of the image. Now, the templates for the corners and layer style will have to be set up to be able to use those. And for the corners, anything that is set up with the layout designer will automatically be set up with all 4 of those corners. And anything that I distribute as far as the templates, for example, the standard class templates, will be set up using the layout designer and will be set up with all 4 corners. So inside the actual images in the Smart Object, those actually have channels for each of those corners. So it's able to, you can use that same design to build any of the 4 corners. And as far as the layer style, light or dark, anything that I distribute that's uses the regular image slot styles that are from the layout designer, I've got in there the layer styles for light and dark. And so whichever one you choose, it's going to use that layer style. So if you choose light, in this case, it's just going to use the one with the white border. If you choose dark, it'll use the one with the black border. If you use default, it will use whatever the template is saved with. So let's choose light for this, and then corners beveled. And then the name color, it'll be black or white, or if you've set up a custom name color where you've edited the font layers or the text layers and changed the color for these, if you're set to default here, it will use whatever the template is saved with. Now for certain templates, like this Polaroid template, for example, that I've got on the website, that one is not set up with light and dark layer styles because it doesn't make sense for this particular template. And that's why it says if supported by template, because the template has to be set up with the corners or the layer styles to be able to work with those. And for this case, it wouldn't make sense to have beveled or rounded corners. And there's no stroke around this Smart Object, so it doesn't really make sense in this case. Let's just demonstrate here. I'm going to close all of these. And then if I just hit Build Composite, we'll see that it's going to open up the file that's got the black border and the black text. But as you see, as it's updating each image based on those settings we have, it is updating each individual layer slot as it builds it.